Yeah, good.
Good. We starting our quote is the Ready to Go Metaverse. What means that? Means that we are a lot of experience to generate metaverse really since years ago, a lot years ago. And we're starting to work with the mixed reality in general 6 years ago. And what's happened today that we are integrating all the devices in our platform to generate metaverse. And all the devices means not only HoloLens, mixed reality, HoloLens, virtual reality, and so on, but all the devices. Also with the Lenovo headset or Snapdragon Spaces devices already launched 3 weeks ago from Qualcomm. Who is Hevolos? Hevolos is a company based in Apulia in Italy and is specialized in research and development of a conventional digital customer experience journey. What means that? That what we saw, storytelling of experience for the customers through HVS, through Metaverse platform. We have several awards, but in particular, we are very proud to have Satya Nadella that talks about us 5 or 6 times to present our solution, to launch and present our solution, in particular for Natuzzi, for Ferragamo, and other really important customers globally. And today we are not only Microsoft gold partner for mixed reality, but also we are early adopter for Snapdragon Spaces for Qualcomm. Go quickly. And the point is this one. Our platform has a CMS, and with the CMS you can create every metaverse, because every 3D artist that can generate any files in 3ds, FBX, GLTF, any files, we convert everything, we upload these files inside of our platform, and as a Minecraft, you can create your metaverse with all the features already have in the enterprise. After I will present you some video. This is the logic. Every device you can enter in this experience with every device is the final customer, the end user has, because our market is not a metaverse, but is we habilitate every customer to create their own metaverse. And this metaverse can connect all with them through a tunneling. This is our customer, and we work with a really important Italian automotive sports car worldwide, and Ferrari and so on. And this is a real project already launched for the metaverse. This is one of the logic. In this case, you can, I started from this video. This video was launched for Camera della Moda. Just a moment. And in this way, you can see in which way is the storytelling. We mixed storytelling of fashion with the historical part for Italian painter.
The National Chamber of Italian Fashion welcomes you to its multi-brand virtual showroom. This virtual showroom is a metaphysical architectural project inspired by the De Chirico paintings and the influences it had on the history of Italian culture. In this concept, the evocative suggestions of the return of Ulysses merge with the wonderful synthesis of Giorgio de Chirico's poetics and formal pictorial lexicon, the rhythm and proportions of classical architecture, the iconic strength of solitary mannequins, and the elusive power of the sea, a deep and lively fluid subsoil. The virtual fashion hub market is a precious container in which essential shapes are composed by following a linear system. A walkway over the water is the path you will build your experience on by discovering young designers, the promise and future for new craftsmanship in fashion. The National Chamber of Italian Fashion celebrates the sustainable designers with this space that focuses on the metaphysical.
So, we're starting from this metaverse, and the point is that in this case, it was created 1 year and a half ago. The point is have a web metaverse where you can enter without problem, without also authentication. You can meet, of course, other people in case you have the authentication. But the point that everyone have an asset can enter in the same geography. But our focus is starting from the web. Is exactly as Minecraft. That's the real point. Because in case the people starting from the headset, from HoloLens or from also other headset, the people and the customer is afraid to starting in the metaverse. That's the reason that we transform this application, in this case with adding Babylon.js logic, that everyone can have the possibility to create his metaverse with the several converter to upload any format, 3D files formats in our platform. And after you create your metaverse without any problem, is exactly like a normal editor. Another use cases is for museum. And in this case, you can see also the possibility to using spectator view. Another one is this one. This is what launched with Satya, in particular for Natuzzi. And in this case, we create a platform. It's the same platform that you have a lot of digital twin, and in the store of Natuzzi, the people can see the real object that is not possible to have normally in the store. I show the video.
Advantage of how the experience in the store with this operational backbone that they've built can change retail. And another example of this is Natuzzi, a fashion furnishing store out of Italy. In fact, they have a store right here in New York where they have the entire catalog available virtually. And the beauty of what they're doing is they're using mixed reality and augmented reality to change what even the retail experience looks like, because their ability to be able to say, you bring your house into the store, and in fact, you can take the store into your house. So the ability for you to change what your expectations are in terms of inventory availability, how you design what you want and configure what you want, and then place it where you want before you even decide to buy, is changing. Let's roll the video to give you a flavor for that.
Everything started from a dream to create upholstery design and visual comfort. I work with craftsmen and artisans in finding the best stitching, the best color, the best way to give shape to these dreams. And so here we are, using Microsoft HoloLens 2 and Azure Cognitive Services, giving consumers an idea of their ideal homes in a way that makes them fall in love. We let them walk their home virtually. We give you the emotional side that makes you feel that, yes, I want to buy it. It gives us the opportunity of showing the collection without boundaries. We've been quite fast in translating a vision into something real. When you see what you dream then came to reality, that makes our tears and passion worth the time that we spent.
And I think in this case, it's not important the technology that we use, augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality. Is the experience that you can do through the technologies. But the platform is exactly the same. The asset is in the same CMS, and you can have with the same CMS save several experience. Also, if you can connect by web. The last video is this one.
An impeccable blend of craft and innovation converge into Salvatore Ferragamo's special Tremezza shoes. The traditional handcrafting process combines with innovative and smart technology to create the future of craft in an exclusive made-to-order service. From the comfort of his home, the client can access a virtual space to meet the store assistant and see various options to customize the classic Tremezza shoe in a rich, interactive experience on any digital device. With the mixed reality technology, this unique customization service allows the client to browse among Tremezza models through the eyes of the store assistant in a real-time digital experience. The client can add his personal touch to an emblematic house icon, creating his own masterpiece.
This is the point. This picture is the point. The customer enter in this metaverse without problem, enter the metaverse, choose the shoes, but in the same time can call a sales assistant to meet him and customize together the shoes. My focus and our focus for Evolus is not really important which type of technologies. It's important what you can do with augmented reality, mixed reality, virtual reality. To arrive to have also this typology of metaverse is totally web in this case, that you can walking, of course, with legs or without legs, depends. In this case, is a walking with the web. In this case, you can move, you cannot move the hands. In case you're using normally, yes, it's that you move normally the hands. Of course, with legs or without legs, it's the same for us. But in this case, you can meet your people inside of that. And what's the situation? The assets are the same asset that you see before for Natuzzi Ferragamo. You have the same CMS and you can have several experience, depends on the sector of the company, because we cover all of the situation. And for the event in particular, and I closing, I think I am not a lot of more time, and we're closing about this video. And this video is for university. Is we allow every professor with the same platform to present something that is not possible presented during a normal lesson, thanks to the spectator view. And you have the mobile phone that record the professor. If you see the professor without mobile phone, you don't see nothing. But in this case, you see the professor and what the professor managed. And imagine during the fair, during the lesson, during several experiences, what is important, for our opinion, have the possibility that everyone can enter in this experience, in this journey, also with the normal web. In this case, this spectator view is not only web, it's web XR, because you can also move and place the experience at all. Thank you so much for your time. And it's important for me, this last slide, to understand that we have one platform is HVS CMS, and with CMS you can cover completely every dimension of the enterprise. You can have web space XR, is a web experience in XR. You can have prototype XR, production XR, collaboration, store, fair, and mentors. But all of these products are connected in the same with the same platform and with the same CMS. Thank you so much for your time, and see you soon, of course.